Hi, welcome to Victoria Bossa's How To, where I give you the basic skills to excel as a PR professional. Today, I'm going to give you tips on how to be confident in any situation. How to be confident in any situation. Being confident in any situation is simply being able to trust yourself. It feels so good when you have confidence and so miserable when you don't. It can completely change the way you walk down a street or how you hold a cup of tea. It changes the way others see and hear you. How to be confident in any situation. Tip number 1. Face your fears. When you feel in control, you are not afraid. When you have a level of comfort with something, it's not scary. When you don't feel in control, you don't think clearly because your emotional brain is in the driver's seat and takes over. This is why fear often seems random and irrational. It means your emotions are in control. To increase safety, move closer to the threat. It does no good to avoid, deny, or ignore fear. Overcome self-doubt. If you lack self-confidence, you will always feel like you are at the mercy of other people. When you assume a victim mentality, you are no longer resilient to life's inevitable obstacles and roadblocks. For example, go where you are needed, not where you feel most comfortable. If you are assigned a task you have no idea how to solve, don't be scared. Do research about it and accomplish it, because when you are knowledgeable, you are confident. This leads to success. Raise your curiosity levels. Curiosity is an important trait for PR professionals and anyone who wants to be confident and successful. Curiosity is the foundation of long growth. If you remain curious, you remain teachable, and your mind and heart grow larger every day. You can retain your beginner's mind by always looking forward and discovering new experiences and uncovering new information. Think positive to overcome your negativity bias. Since the early years, our natural negativity bias has kept us safe from danger for thousands of years. But not every new or different thing is a threat to our survival. This negativity bias can chisel away at your confidence because you are hardwired to pay attention to all that you have done wrong. Your brain has a built-in confirmation bias. It means it stores information that is consistent with your own beliefs, values, and self-image. This selective memory system helps keep the brain from getting overloaded with too much information. So, recognize that your memory does not always provide you with accurate information. Here's an example. You didn't get good grades on your last PR writing test, so as a result, you are not confident when it comes to your next test. But ask yourself this: if you studied really hard, worked with the teacher, and prepared for the test, would you be better? Yes. That was just one event and has nothing to do with you. So, you have absolutely zero reasons not to be confident. Have you got any tips, tricks, or strategies you'd like to share with the channel? Get them in the comments below. And if you like what you have seen, please go ahead and subscribe. But until next time, I'll see you then.